Hey, it's Sam here. Welcome to this demo of LocalVidPro. This is a software that lets you research potential clients within your local area and be able to provide services for them for a multiple number of things, including video rankings and SEO and traffic to their website. This lets you do all of that with a heavy focus on video, but it does let you discover some of their other weaknesses as well. So this is the dashboard. On the left, if I go down to research and I go lead search, this is where I can search up any sort of lead out there on the internet. Now I'm just going to write in real estate Auckland. That's where I'm based in New Zealand, and I can choose how many results I want and click search. Cool, so it's given a number of results here. As you can see, we got the business name on the left, we got the address, we got phone numbers, website as well. Now what I can do is I can view their social stats by clicking on social stats. That'll load this up. Cool, so you can see it's loaded up, and as you can see there's a number of things wrong with their presence online. You can see the page speed test for mobile and also just the web page test is very poor indeed. Okay, it's very, very low. It also notes that there's no on-page SEO, so this wouldn't be helping with their rankings. Their website doesn't contain video, with video being one of the most popular marketing content available today, so we would recommend video services to them. You can see their website is mobile compatible though, which is good. Up on the top left, you can see SEO statistics, social metrics. It goes to show no social presence is ranking online, so they're probably not really using social media to their full extent. So even just looking at this, I would pitch this business SEO services and also even a full web page rebuild that loads faster both on mobile and on a browser, because that factors in how well things rank nowadays in the Google algorithm. I would pitch them video services as well, or even using their own video and getting them a web presence online, plus a whole bunch of social services too. This one looks like a bit of a mess, let's be honest. Okay, so I'm going to close that. What we can do is we can send an email to the person directly within here. So you can see we've got email subject. If we have a template that we've already pre-written and loaded up, we can just select that as well and pitch them our business straight away. We can send the email with the analytics attachment as well to let them know what we think of their business. So quite simple way to be able to find leads. Now with the SEO side of things, the page build, the software side of things, the social media side of things, if you have tools that can help with that, fantastic, you can do that. Now what LocalVidPro does is it is especially good at helping you rank videos. So if I go down here on the left and I go down into ranking, local video marketing and add events on the left, this lets us create live events for video that lets it rank very, very quickly. So we can do it by country. So if I go New Zealand, okay, and this is going to use live video on YouTube to help it rank quicker. I can do my state, Auckland, region Auckland, because it's quite a small place. Not too many things. We've got all the suburbs that we could choose from as well, so I will just use this one as well. Now keywords, I can add in different keywords as well, so we can say real estate if we want, and then what I can do is on the prefix is I can add in different keywords that relate to the video. So best real estate, honest real estate, live, awesome user, so I can change all these to just say affordable. We can also write cheap, and we can also put in we can also luxury as well. So this will spit out these keywords. Now what I'm going to do is I've put in some keywords to do with it. We've got our location sorted as well, so let's just show results. And this will, what this is going to do is this is going to let us generate different video live events based on all these keywords. So we can see I can choose even just different neighborhoods if I want. So I can just go through, choose a few random neighborhoods as we see fit. Okay, and just use those. Okay, now this is going to generate our live events for us. So as you can see down here, it's generated a number of live events to go out on YouTube. Best real estate Westfield Auckland, honest real estate Westfield Auckland. So it's using all the different keywords, and it is going to put out live video out on YouTube for this. Now the good thing about live video on YouTube is it actually goes out live as a live event. so it helps with the SEO rankings for that. It gets ranked quicker, but it also stays on YouTube. It doesn't just disappear afterwards. So this helps it rank, especially for these niche keywords. I highly doubt there's a lot of people out there trying to rank videos using live video for this sort of stuff, so it's going to get results with it as well. I can choose what channel I want it to go out on. If I got my YouTube channels connected, what I can do is I can select different videos for different events, or I can just use one and it'll do it for all of them as well. So if I want it to go on all events, I just click upload all events, and the same video will go out with all these different keywords. So no matter what people are researching, they will find this video and it'll get ranked. So if they go to Google it, let's just say, luxury real estate, Auckland, this would likely come up as the first option for your client. So very, very cool, very, very simple. Now what you can do is we can schedule them all at random intervals, so they go out at different times, or you can have them all go out at the same time, things like that as well. So very, very easy way to be able to get this all ranked. Now this is the easy way to be able to do the video side of things. If you haven't created a video, there is an option to buy a video editor as one of the upsells. So it is quite easy to do. You can go through step by step, add in intros, outros, lower third, watermarks, animated text, and background audio, which would be quite good for your clients as well. You can go through and see all your videos, things like that. Within here with all your analytics. Email templates, you can create your own email templates as well. So it is a simple all-in-one solution to help you with local consultancy to local businesses, especially honed in towards video. I encourage you to check it out in more detail down below for more information about how you can sell this for a profit to local clients. This is Sam. It's my pleasure to show you through LocalVidPro here today.